Hey, good morning everybody. Day 27. Just left the Jim and Molly Dilton shelter, headed to Manassas Gap. Do a quick 1 mile detour to a convenience store to resupply. That's where we're headed. Supposed to maybe get some rain at noon, but I don't think so. It's very low chance, so we'll see. Should be a good day. Trying to get 18.5. Plus our little 2 mile detour to resupply. So let's get going. Whew, okay, so luckily I got a ride to the convenience store, did a quick resupply. Not the best place to resupply. I would recommend not resupplying there, but I got enough to get me through the next couple days and be good. Left. Luckily, Iron Mike, Nobo 2023 picked me up and gave me a ride back, so got a ride both ways. That's good. Back on trail, getting ready to climb Blue Mountain, about 1,500 feet all the way to the top, so it's a big climb, and feeling grateful for the ride. So let's get this day going, and happy trails. Alrighty, almost up and over this, I think it's called Blue Mountain. I think we got about 400, maybe 500 feet left to climb, but just thought I would get on. So my original plan was to do 2.5 days to get to this convenient store where they let hikers sleep behind the store and you can resupply there, and then do another 2.5 days to get to Harper's Ferry, which would be about 3 and 3. But then I changed my mind and decided that I would just go straight to Harper's Ferry and just do a quick resupply at the convenience store. So the convenience store is 1.2 miles off the trailhead, so you gotta walk almost 2.4 to get round trip. So it was going to be a long day. So anyways, started down the road. Luckily some guy stopped, picked me up and gave me a ride there, so that helped out. But when I get to the convenience store to resupply, I have to say that was the crappiest place on earth to resupply. They had, most of their stuff was canned stuff that you would use to cook dinner at home. They had some ramen, 4 or 5, maybe 10 at the most, tuna packets left, and some Pop-Tarts. That was about it for hiking resupply. So absolutely terrible. Luckily, I only needed a couple dinners, so I ended up picking up some ramen and picked up a couple things of cereal for the breakfast, and some tuna packets because I had tortillas already. So, and then she gave me 2 free hot dogs that they had left over from a barbecue, but man, that was a terrible place to resupply. I would suggest anybody that's thinking about resupplying there to rethink that plan. Then leaving, I would have to do the 1.2 back to the trail, and as soon as I started walking, Iron Mike, Noble from 2023, picked me up and took me back to the trailhead. So total maybe 35-40 minutes on that. Definitely needed the resupply because I would have made it to Harper Ferry, but so now we're just walking to get to the shelter we're going to stay at. I forgot the name of it already. I think we have about 12 more miles to get there, and yeah, we'll see how the day goes. So alrighty, that's about it. See you down the trail. Well, we did not get any views today. Even though we climbed 3,400 feet, we did not get no views. We've been in this type of trail all day, and as it may not be a top of a mountain view, I have to say it's still pretty nice and green. But yeah, that's it. That's all the views we're gonna get today. So I'm gonna let you enjoy this little trail walk, and we'll see you all tomorrow.